What's up, Mom? She's my ref here with the crises, and Monday here in Lebanon, and it's 5:30 in the morning. So, kagigising ko lang. Today, ngayon lang balik school ni Nura after 1 week na hindi siya nakapasok dahil sa kanyang ubo. We decided to make her stay here at home than going to school. Dahil pagka napapagod siya, inuubo siya ng sobra. So, last week din kasi, nag-suspend sila ng school dahil sa snow. So, this week, pasok na siya. Samahan niyo ako, gawa natin siya ng breakfast and ng baon niya for the school. Let's go. So today, gagawa ko siya ng pancake. And pancake para sa kanyang breakfast and sa kanyang lunchbox ang mini pancake. Kasi nakalimutan ng papa niya bumili ng tinapay ng bread. Kaya pancake ang kanyang babaunin. Dahil meron akong ready mix na pancake mix, madali na, hindi na time consuming. So, okay na guys. Nakapagluto na ako ng pancake for our breakfast. And yung para sa kanyang lunchbox. So, gisingin na natin sila. It's almost 6:30, around 7:30. Susunduin na siya ng kanyang bus. Let's go. Ayan na.
I told you it's almost here.
Ayan na.
I told you. Cool. I don't like school.
Nasundo na siya. Second trip na yung bus nila. Kaya ganitong oras na siya nasundo. Anyhow, still early. May 20 minutes pa naman to start their class. So, dyan lang naman yung 5 minutes away lang naman yung kanilang school. Still have time. So, today, ngayon, hihintayin ko naman na si Papa magising. Late na siya nakauwi dahil sa kanyang double job. So, hayaan ko muna siyang matulog bago siya mag-start dun sa bago ko siya gisingin para sa kanyang work. Ay, what is this? Oh. And now my day starts by cleaning this oven. Tapos ko nang linisan yung ating stove. Ngayon naman, magdidilig muna ako dito sa labas ng aking mga babies dahil nag-dry na sila dahil sobrang lamig. Parang nasa sleep mode na. Nag-sleep mode ang aking mga halaman. Tapos ko na ring hugasan yung aking malaking aking malaking basurahan. Pinatapo ko na kay Firas yung laman. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, wala na akong space, you have to throw it now. Dapat kahapon. So, wala na siyang nagawa kasi paggising niya nasa sasakyan na lahat. So, samahan niyo ako mamaya. Samahan niyo ako magdilig muna dito. kanina ko pa iniisip kung ano yung papaulam ko kanina. Kung naalala ko, hindi ko pa nagagawa yung chicken feet.
kasi ilang araw niya nang nire-request sa akin yung chicken feet. So, madali ang luto lang kasi maaga sila uuwi ngayon. Lutuan ko na lang siya ng miswa. Igigisa ko lang yung miswa. Magigisa lang ako ng bawang sibuyas at luya. Then, yung miswa, sasabawan natin. And magbuboil ako ng egg. Gustong-gusto niya yun. Sa ganun, marami siyang nakakain. Like, ngayon, recovery time siya. Mas gusto kong kumain siya ng mga may sabaw. Para mas naiinitan yung loob niya. Kasi nga magginaw, di ba? Magginaw pa rin naman kahit papano. Medyo nabawasan na rin yung lamig. Unlike this past few weeks, talagang napakalamig. So, this time, gawa ko muna siya ng sabaw. Diba? Let's see.
to lose your mommy's apple? Did you still look pregnant even after food?
No.
Mama, I want the baby. I want the baby. I want a new brother.
Baby, what are you asking? What are you asking? Huh? Come
I
here.
want a new brother.
You want a new brother? Why do you ask now? Why do you ask now? Inshallah, Habibi. Inshallah. Inshallah.
Why my brother died? Did I step on her?
No! It's not time for the baby.
Then where the baby died?
Because the first baby brother is not time for him. So God take him away. And
Why
then
God take him away?
because it's not time for him to be born, to be with us. So
The
God,
baby.
yeah, I understand. But then God said, I will send you Nora first. And you take good care of Nora. So now you are here! Yeah, you are here! Oh my gosh! And then maybe God will send another brother for your baby brother. Huh? I told you need to pray for it, right?
Huh?
I told you need to pray. So God will give you back your baby brother. Huh?
Oh my God.
My gosh, no, naloka naman ako sa request ng batang to. But anyhow, thank you so much for watching with us. Ayan, gagawa muna kami ng assignment niya kasi mayroong binigay teacher niyan tomorrow. See you again. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe to our channel and give me a like on this video. Bye! God bless! Mwah! Yun lang.